একদম একবারে জিরো।
Hello, my beloved friends. Those watching people my video, I hope that all are doing great. I am also fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today again I came in front of you. Today I would love to share on my personal feelings. Actually, right now I live Dhaka city. Actually, yesterday I came back Dhaka because of the attend the class. That's why finally I attend my class. So most of Eid vacation, 1 month Eid vacation later, I came back Dhaka. So actually, whenever mm, I leave my home, then I get many free time. Then I create uh, frequently create the English video, but right now I am very busy, so that's why I don't create the English video. So actually right now I am very busy because of my academic study. Actually my uh, my exam is very nearly, that's why I am very depressed. So actually whenever I got chance the Titubir college, then I don't read anything actually. So right now I am very excited to about my study. So actually right now finally today I finished my class, then came back my hostel. So right now we are, so guys, he is my friend actually. Hey bro, what's up, কি অবস্থা তোমার? ভালো আছো? হোয়াটস ইউর স্টাডি গোয়িং অন? তোমার স্টাডি কেমন চলতেছে একটু বলো ব্রো। Actually, he is my friend. Actually, we are study all together. So right now we are study going on. So guys, I hope that you are everyone pray for me that so that I improve my English skill. Actually, I want improve my English skill, but now I don't get free time. That's why I don't came in front of you. So it's very bad for me. So that's it. সবাই ভালো থাকবে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।